Today I am in the seventh circle of hell. Tax-free weekend, sitting in the Target parking lot. Bored to death. Thought I might do a little EDC Pocket Dump. Here we go. Alright, start it off. We have the car, CW9 on the right hip. Beautiful 7+1 carry gun in the right pocket. We've got the saw Aegis assist open blade. Not very sharp because I use it every day. Anyway, there it is. Right back pocket we have the Saddleman leather wallet sleeve. And moving to the left, we have the Ultrafire 3-mode, claimed to be 1,000 lumen flashlight, Hong Kong made. Only $10. It's not 1,000 lumens. Best $10 ever spent though. And we also have something I never ever leave home without, no matter where I go, Orbit gum. Love that stuff. And we also have a bandana for crying or wiping glasses. And then just in case, an extra magazine with Hornady Critical Duty. And then also, Sweet Addie Grace, always by my side.